little brown owl with those great big yellow eyes. Little brown owl, why do you look so surprised? Who spooked you? Little black owl with those great